Yeah, and here's a live look at the East Glacier area, and typically you should be able to see the mountains there, but not today. Helena, not much better. 73 degrees. The Helena Valley was inverted today. We actually had a temperature that was cooler in the valley than up on top of McDonald Pass. Sound familiar? Kind of like a wintertime setup. And to Great Falls, typically be able to see the high woods here from our camera in Geyser. I just like that camera. 66 degrees in Great Falls. What a day Great Falls has had. We're up into the 80s, strong southwest wind. This little front just kind of sagged right through. Where you see the front like this, that's a stationary boundary, and it's not completely stationary, but it is kind of wavering around up here in northern Montana. Look at the southern part of the state, 80s and 90s, 50s up closer to the Canadian border. A little system kind of zipping off towards our north, and that's what's kind of pushing some of that cooler air down into the states. Now, a couple of the wildfires, the bigger ones burning in the state, Bridger Foothills, no growth, but the containment is up to 77%. This fire, this was chugging out some smoke, especially on Saturday, the State Creek fire. That's southwest of Boulder, but we're up to 50%. About 700 acres grew over the course of the weekend. The Drumming fire, not much growth on that fire here over the weekend in the Bob Marshall Wilderness. The Bobcat fire, no growth, but we're up to 95% containment on that fire. That's that real big one just southeast of Roundup here. And jet stream, the pattern across the whole country. And there you can see also Hurricane Sally about ready to make landfall on the Gulf Coast. So we also have a few other fires that I didn't show the specifics on, but the Cinnabar fire, the Bear Creek fire, technically, those are still burning, still active, but their containments continue to go up. But still a lot of fires, incredible fires here along the Pacific Northwest coast. And with that low hanging out off towards the west of Washington and Oregon all week, we're going to be in a southwest pattern all week. What's to our southwest? Those mega fires in California and Oregon. So here's a map of the wildfire smoke through tomorrow, through Wednesday, through Thursday. I'm sorry, folks, this really is not good news, especially if you have respiratory issues. May get a little cleaner air as we get into this weekend, as an area of low pressure kind of brings some rain and drags out some of that smoke, but don't expect crystal clear blue skies anytime soon. Now, as far as precipitation goes, not much again until we get into later this week. Here we are Wednesday, Thursday, Friday evening. We may pop a couple of thunderstorms here, but look at this. Saturday, I know it's rain, but it's on the weekend, and it's going to clean up some of the air into early Sunday before it moves out Sunday afternoon. Monday, maybe some improvements as far as the air quality goes. Forecast for tonight, 40s and 50s for most of the state. A little cooler the farther north you get. That's a pretty chilly air mass that's spilling down from Canada into the northern part of Montana. And here's a forecast for tomorrow. Still dealing with this boundary. It will kind of lift towards the north during the morning hours and then come back south during the afternoon. A warmer day for a lot of the state. It will be windy, and we'll see the winds go from the northwest to the northeast later in the afternoon. So another day with a wind shift and likely looking at red flag warning conditions. Wednesday, a slightly cooler day, but really don't think our air quality will improve much. Will likely be unhealthy for sensitive groups, or moderate at the very best. Into Thursday, 70s to about 80 degrees, not much in the way of wind. And here comes the low pressure getting ready to come in for the weekend. A couple of isolated thunderstorms late on Friday. Little wind and the fire danger going back up. Here's the 7-day forecast for Helena. So smoky day, smoky few days here. Watch that fire danger tomorrow. Slightly cooler, slightly lower fire danger for Wednesday and Thursday. An isolated storm Friday. Good chance for rain showers, maybe a rumble of thunder on Saturday. We certainly do need the moisture in for Great Falls. Warm, blustery day tomorrow. Watch the fire danger for Wednesday. A cooler day. Same goes for Thursday. And there's that welcomed rain coming in on the weekend.